So, this is just a coincidence, I promise. Got a package in the mail today from Adams Polishes. I was on their site about a week ago, needing some, what was it, foam, mega foam or something like that, I don't know. First thing I see was their 25th anniversary. It's like a little box set of stuff, limited edition. I don't know. Thought I need some of that stuff. Can't have too much. And it came today. So I wanted to see what it was all about. So this was a coincidence. This was supposed to be here tomorrow. So I just grabbed a shirt. Right off the bat, they've got a Adams 25-year little decal. Adams Polishes. That's pretty neat. Packing stuff. Oh, pretty. Oh, good. All the shipping information and billings at the bottom, so didn't have to worry about that. But man, here we go. This big box, very heavy. On the bottom says, "Thank you for your loyalty and support over the past 25 years. We celebrate you, the customer, who created a community filled with passion and kindness. Thank you. Adam Bacale, founder of Adams Polishes." So, yeah, they've been around for 25 years. I've been using them. I've had my Challenger for 5 years this week, I think. It's the only product I've used, so I love them. So, yeah. So let's crack it open. Let's see if everything spills out on me. Maybe I'll do this part first. Come on. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Open. So yeah, all nice and neat in here. You got their Car Shampoo. This one's facing backwards. Their Tire Shine, Detail Spray, open, and Total Interior Cleaner. All of these have kind of a limited, it's actually pretty cool. It's got screenshots from all their videos if you follow them on YouTube. And this all kinds of decals and other things. Yeah, 25th anniversary. So that's the Total Interior Cleaner. This is the Detail Spray. Sorry about the really crap lighting. I'm sure there's a lot of Easter eggs and stuff in here. Yeah, it's just all their whole history. There's some old products in the backgrounds. It does look like they're all different, so that's pretty cool. This is the Tire Shine. I know the lighting is absolutely just garbage, but I'm sure I'll look at each of these individually and see if there's anything I really stands out. But and the Car Shampoo. Start out here. I don't know how much of this you'll be able to make out. Some really cool packaging. I don't know if you can make it out on the video, but certain parts are just kind of matte, but there's a couple like gloss sections. You might be able to see it in the light. All those little spots are kind of gloss sections, like the atoms up here. Looks like they put a lot of thought into it, so that's really cool. And underneath that, you get a little cloth. So, yeah. Oh, and under that, you've got your 3 sprayers and a little thing for your car shampoo. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm happy for them. I love all their content, love their product. It's basically all I use, but yeah, I don't know how. I think they said this was like limited to like 3,000 sets. I don't know. I mainly bought it just because I needed a refill on a couple of these things, and I was interested in seeing what all they had. So let me 1 second. I'm trying to do as little editing as possible. So put all this back in. Then I'll do this. Then I'll get you off the tripod. Flip it. So yeah. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, a lot of cool. Like I said, I like the texture. Like certain parts of it's like a gloss, and other parts just sort of matte. I know that. Hey, there he is. I know they said, I think in the description, some of these screenshots were some of their live streams, screenshots and stuff, their product videos. I'm sure there's a lot of merchandise they've had over the last 25 years, like old packaging and decals, and pretty sure that's him. He looks pretty young. And the car shampoo. No more scratches. So yeah, there you have it. Happy 25th anniversary to Adams Polishes. Keep making your awesome products. Thanks for watching.